At 94, there is no more challenge. You are retired in all your activities. You have a boring life, the same routine day and night. Become a burden to your children, depending on them and all your financial needs. I have no income. All my friends gone, and I just pray that my children will not get tired taking of me. They are in their 60s and they have their own concern. Frankly, I'm tired physically, emotionally, and financially. I don't want to be a burden to my children. At 94, I have a good life. My prayer is that I'm Natividad Grabador Montalvo. I'm 94 years old, born on December 25, 1930. So I'll be 95 this December 25. Before I was public school teacher, I finished my Bachelor of Science in Education in Silliman University. And after that, I was a teacher, a public school teacher for several years.
Okay, I have 5 questions po for you. Question 1. One biggest lesson you've learned in life.
One big lesson. My one big lesson is it's always about the family, how to raise your family, your children, and to be a good wife and a good mother to all your children.
Okay, question number 2. What is your biggest regret in life?
I don't think I have a biggest regret in my life. I have been nothing, no.
Why?
Because I have been happy. I married a very good man, a good provider, a good person, and I have raised my 3 children. They are all well off now. They are all successful in their own rights. So I think maybe my regret in life is you should have done more.
Okay, fourth question. What is your favorite food?
My favorite fish is adobo, adobong baboy. That's my favorite food.
Okay, question number 5. One thing you want to say to the younger generation.
The younger generations be more concerned on their parents, on their education, because most of the youngsters now are very concerned with the mass media, so they should be more focused on their education, their parents, and they should behave.
Okay, what is the joy and what are the challenges of being 90 years old? Ano muna yung what are the joys being a 90-year-old?
What are they?
Joys.
The joy at 90 years old is my children and my grandchildren. I have 3 children and have 3 grandchildren, and my children are all successful in their own right. So they have finished college, and my grandchildren are also doing well. So, ano pa yun?
Ano po yung challenge nyo as a 90-year-old?
I don't think I have any more challenge. I have actually at 90 years old, maybe the other 90 years old can relate. It's just a very boring life. You have nowhere to go. You have no work. You have no income. Then you depend on your children. All your needs you depend on your children. So you cannot go out of the house because of your health. So it's a very boring life. So, and then you are so dependent on your children. They take care of you everything from your financial state, financial needs. And I feel guilty that I have to be a burden to my children, taking care of me all the way until maybe the time comes for me to go. And then my husband has been gone for several years. And I just live alone in the house together with my caregiver and my maid, and my children takes good care of me all the way through life.
Okay, What's one thing na you will always want your children to remember?
They will have to remember that as their mother is maybe they can consider that a good mother, and I have led them for a good life. I think they are all. I never had a problem with all each of my children. Maybe because I raised them well together with my husband. Maybe a good example that you have to send to your children that they are good and they are all successful. I never had worried about them doing drugs, gambling, or pregnancy, whatever. They are all okay and all successful in their own right. This is a question that Senior Moment with Louie Montalvo. 3 questions. What has been the biggest blessing that I have now that I'm a senior citizen? Why? The blessing I have now in my past year can count on my fingers. First, my immediate family, my papa and my mama. We were 5 in the family, but they were able to send us all to college. Another blessing is my husband, Leonardo. I'm lucky because I married the right man, a good husband, father, and a good provider. Then my 3 children, Christy, Louie, and Monique. These are all well off and successful in their own right. At 94, they take care of me, all my needs, financial, physical, and emotional. I love them very much. My 3 grandchildren, Joshua, Janina, and Paulo. At 95, what do I need? I pray that my children will not get tired of taking of me.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. What's the biggest challenge that I'm facing as a senior citizen and why? At 94, there is no more challenge. You are retired in all your activities. You have a boring life, the same routine day and night. Become a burden to your children, depending on them and all your financial needs. I have no income. All my friends gone, and I just pray that my children will not get tired taking of me. They are in their 60s, and they have their own concern. Frankly, I'm tired physically, emotionally, and financially. I don't want to be a burden to my children. At 94, I have a good life. My prayer is that let go and be with my husband, Leonardo, in paradise. I miss my husband.
Oh, last question.
If there are things I ask or I'm questioning from life or from God, what would it be? At 94, raising 3 children, blessed with a wonderful husband and 3 children and 3 grandchildren. Nothing for myself. I just want to thank God for all my blessings. I just ask God to take care of my children and grandchildren. I pray that God will take care of them. I pray that God will protect them from harm, accident, or any illnesses. I will also ask God that each one of them will be successful in their own life. I also pray that they will keep in touch with each other, take care of each other, and love each other. At my age, I just want to be with my husband in paradise. I miss my husband very much.
Tapos na.
It did